today I am cleaning my kitchen, and this is kind of a dated video because I am in my new apartment now, but I did want to get some content out to you guys for inspiration and motivation to go and clean your kitchen up or whatever you have been putting off to clean. So here I am just putting away the things that are on my drying rack, and then I'm going to begin washing everything and putting them in like an organized, neat pile of things to do in a certain order. I'm a little bit OCD like that, so you will see that shortly. Where I am organizing all the dirty dishes, all the utensils, the cups and whatnot, so it makes it easier for me to know what to expect to clean and in the particular order that I like to. I try to do like the cups first because those go further back into the dish drying rack, which, by the way, I love this dish drying rack. It does take up maybe the same amount of space that a regular one does, but it also has a second tier where I put my plates and my pans on occasion, and it has a separate piece to put the cutting board that I have, which is very bulky, so it is perfect for what I need it for. So here I'm just filling my sink with a cap full of bleach and a little bit of soap just to soak some things up, because I think at this point they had been sitting and were a little dry, so I wanted them to kind of soak in the water. I put really hot water in there, and then I began to scrub everything down, and that's like the first thing that I do. I will scrub everything down, put it to the side, and get as much as I can kind of soaked up, and then just rinse everything all at once. At this point, I am just rinsing all the items that I have cleaned now and putting them on my drying rack. scrubbing brush with some soap in it and really just take off all the grease that has built up on there from cooking. Product, my clean stove, my counters are clean, the dishes are washed and drying, and it just feels so good to have everything clean and in its place. And there are my DIY spices. If you want to see that, that is on my channel. And I just want to thank you guys for watching, and I hope you come back again.